Tired of your savings goals feeling like a distant dream instead of a reality? If you've ever wanted to inject some structure, accountability, and even a little fun into saving money, you're in the right place. Most of us know we should save, but setting up a concrete, consistent plan is the real challenge. You try a budget, you slip up, and suddenly that vacation fund or emergency cushion feels out of reach again. But what if you could turn saving into a game with clear, automated rules? That's exactly where an app like Rocket Money comes in, especially when you use its features to tackle popular saving challenges. Rocket Money isn't just about finding and canceling subscriptions anymore. Its smart savings feature is a fantastic tool to automate your savings, and it's perfect for tackling challenges like the classic 52-week challenge or a more aggressive no-spend challenge. Here's the simple breakdown of how to make Rocket Money your secret weapon for these challenges. Let's start with the 52-week challenge. The traditional goal is to save a dollar amount corresponding to the week number, $1 in week 1, $52 in week 52, totaling over $1,300 by the end of the year. This works brilliantly with Rocket Money's automation. First, set up a dedicated savings goal inside the app. Name it something motivational, like 52-week grand total. Next, use the Smart Savings feature to create a customized transfer schedule. While it doesn't have a pre-built 52-week incremental template, you can set it to automatically move a fixed, manageable amount each week into your linked Rocket Money savings account. Start with the average weekly contribution needed, about $26 if you want to hit the $1,378 target. Rocket Money monitors your linked accounts and only transfers money when it knows you can afford it, protecting you from overdrafts. As you gain momentum, you can manually increase that weekly auto-transfer amount in the app to follow the challenge's rising contributions, or just keep it simple with that fixed, steady $26 to ensure consistency. The beauty is, Rocket Money keeps the money separate and tracks your progress toward the total goal, giving you that visual win and accountability. Now, let's talk about the no-spend challenge. This is where you commit to not buying non-essential items for a set period. Rocket Money is key here for two reasons: tracking and identification. First, its detailed spending insights help you define your rules. Look at your past spending. What categories are your weakness? Dining out? Shopping? Use this data to set your achievable no-spend boundaries. Second, the app tracks every transaction across your linked accounts, giving you real-time visibility. Every time you're tempted, check the app. Did you accidentally spend? Rocket Money's category breakdown immediately flags it, giving you a chance to reflect and get back on track. The money you don't spend? You can use a one-time transfer in the Rocket Money app to immediately move that money to your savings goal. Seeing that unspent cash get instantly added to your challenge total is a powerful psychological boost. The bottom line is that Rocket Money shifts saving from a manual chore to a smart, automated process. It gives you the structure for challenges, the protection against oversaving, and the visual tracking that keeps you motivated to hit your goal. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.